5 reason bakit mas maganda magnegosyo online. Number 1, flexibility. Kaya mo siyang gawin anytime, anywhere. Basta may cellphone ka at may internet ka. Number 2, law of marketing cost. Hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng pwesto, wala na mga over expenses kagaya ng traditional business. And number 3, cheaper startup. Hindi mo na kailangan mamuhunan ng malaki or capital para magsimula. And number 4, easier and faster transaction. At mas madali mo itong mamumonitor. And number 5, pandemic-proof. Sabi pa nga ni Bill Gates, if your business is not on the online internet, then your business is out of your business. Online entrepreneurship is the newest trend of business world. Kahit wala kang experience, kahit first time mo, kayang-kaya mo itong gawin. O ano ang hinihintay mo? Start ka na, kabayan! Gawin